Resilience in adversity is a crucial concept within positive psychology, focusing on the capacity to bounce back from challenges, stress, and trauma. Understanding and building resilience can transform how individuals cope with life's inevitable hardships, enabling not only recovery, but also growth and enhanced well-being. This resilience isn't just an innate trait, it's something that can be developed and strengthened over time with specific strategies and practices. Understanding resilience. Resilience involves a dynamic process whereby individuals exhibit positive adaptation despite significant life challenges, stresses, or traumatic events. It is often conceptualized as a set of skills and behaviors rather than a static trait, meaning it can be cultivated and enhanced through intentional practice. Key components of resilience include emotional regulation, the ability to manage and recover from emotional distress. Positive outlook, maintaining a hopeful outlook with an ongoing expectation of good outcomes. Problem-solving skills, the ability to plan effective strategies and take steps to solve problems. Social support, having strong, healthy relationships that provide emotional and practical support during times of crisis. Meaning-making, the ability to find meaning in life's events, especially during times of difficulty, which can provide a sense of purpose and direction. Building resilience. Building resilience is a proactive process. It involves developing attitudes, behaviors, and social environments that foster adaptability in the face of adversity. Here are some strategies to enhance resilience. Develop a strong social network. Building and maintaining supportive relationships are essential. Social support provides emotional nourishment and practical help in times of need. Engaging in community groups, maintaining friendships, and fostering supportive family relationships can bolster your resilience. Foster a positive view of yourself. Developing confidence in your abilities and believing in your efficacy can enhance resilience. Practices such as positive affirmations and recalling past successes can help build this self-assurance. Embrace change. Flexibility is an essential aspect of resilience. Being open to change and adaptable in your approaches to challenges can make you more resilient. This might involve adjusting your goals or finding new ways to achieve them when faced with adversity. Learn from experience. Resilient individuals often treat problems as learning opportunities. Reflect on how you've coped with hardships in the past and consider what you can learn from those experiences to better handle future challenges. Maintain a hopeful outlook. Optimism is a hallmark of resilient people. Maintaining a hopeful outlook enables you to expect that good things will happen in your life. Try visualizing what you want rather than worrying about what you fear. Take care of your physical health. Physical well-being supports mental health. Regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and proper nutrition can strengthen your body to adapt to stress and reduce the toll of emotions like anxiety or depression. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness can help you stay grounded and maintain a conscious awareness of your thoughts and feelings. It allows you to respond to stress more constructively rather than reacting impulsively. Various programs are designed to help individuals develop resilience. These often include components like stress management, problem-solving training, and exercises to boost emotional regulation. For example, cognitive behavioral techniques can be particularly effective in helping people reframe their thinking and respond to challenges more effectively. Conclusion. Resilience is a potent facet of human psychology and a central focus in positive psychology. It enriches our ability to navigate life's ups and downs with strength and grace. By understanding and cultivating resilience, individuals can not only survive in the face of adversity, but also thrive, finding deeper meaning and satisfaction in life's challenges. Resilience in extreme conditions is a powerful demonstration of human capability and adaptability. Studying case studies where individuals or communities have overcome severe adversity provides insights into the mechanisms of resilience and how it can be fostered in various contexts. Case Study 1. Viktor Frankl, Survival in a Concentration Camp. Viktor Frankl, a neurologist and psychiatrist, survived years in Nazi concentration camps during World War II. Frankl's experience, as described in his book Man's Search for Meaning, is a profound testament to the power of finding meaning in all forms of existence, even the most brutal ones. He observed that those who could find meaning in the horrors of the concentration camp life were more likely to survive. Frankl developed logotherapy, a form of psychotherapy that asserts that the primary drive in humans is not pleasure, as Freud suggested, but the pursuit of what he calls meaning. Throughout his ordeal, Frankl maintained a focus on future goals and personal values, which he credits for his survival and resilience. Case Study 2: The Chilean Miners' Rescue, Coping with Prolonged Confinement. In 2010, 33 Chilean miners were trapped underground for over 2 months after their mine collapsed. The miners survived on limited food, water, and oxygen until they were finally rescued. Throughout this ordeal, the miners maintained a strong sense of unity and hope. They established a daily routine, allocated leadership roles, and maintained strict rationing of food and medicine. Psychological support was provided to them through video communications with their families and psychologists, which played a crucial role in sustaining their mental health. Their resilience was also supported by the relentless efforts of the rescue team above ground, demonstrating a powerful interplay between individual and collective resilience. Case Study 3: Fukushima Nuclear Disaster, Community and National Resilience. Following the 2011 earthquake and tsunami in Japan, which triggered the Fukushima nuclear disaster, the surrounding communities displayed remarkable resilience. Despite the devastation and ongoing threat from radiation, the Japanese people exhibited a strong communal response that emphasized cooperation, calm, and collective action. The national policy focused on both immediate disaster response and long-term recovery planning, including mental health support for evacuees and affected families. Japan's culture, which emphasizes perseverance, mindfulness, and community harmony, played a significant role in their resilient response. Case Study 4: Jessica Watson, Solo Sailing Around the World. At just 16 years old, Australian Jessica Watson became the youngest person to sail solo and unassisted around the world. Facing violent storms, equipment failures, and the immense psychological challenge of solitude, Jessica demonstrated extraordinary resilience. Her success can be attributed to thorough preparation, a strong support network communicating via satellite, and her personal determination and positive outlook. Her journey is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit when confronted with prolonged physical and psychological challenges. Lessons on building resilience from these cases. Meaning and purpose. Like Frankl, finding a deeper meaning or purpose can provide the strength to endure severe hardships. Hope and optimism. Maintaining hope and a vision for the future is crucial, as seen in the Chilean miners' ordeal. Social support and community. Strong social connections and community support are vital for resilience, demonstrated by the collective efforts in Japan. Preparation and planning. As Jessica Watson showed, effective preparation and strategic planning can equip one to handle unexpected challenges. These case studies provide valuable lessons on the capabilities of humans to adapt and thrive in the face of extreme adversity. They highlight not only the internal capacities of individuals, but also the role of external supports and community in fostering resilience.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.